Yo, I came down to Cloudflare Connect, so what? To let you know, hip-hop.
So how does it feel being in a short show here situation, but the vibrations coming out, how the adrenaline, how is that?
It's like a joy. I began rapping, the first time I arrived, I felt the joy because of the joy that it made others feel too. And tonight I was feeling that. I felt like, oh man, this is a joy to be able to perform here at Cloudflare and have an audience that, may not particularly always come to this show, a hip hop show, or my show, and just enjoy the music. And it was fun. I felt like we were free as artists, and I just was so happy with my band and my team and the audience. It felt good seeing people coming and moving, to get into the music and get into the performance. So it was a very great joy, incredible joy.
You've been on stage today during Connect. Many questions were asked by Stephanie. One of the things that I noticed is that although AI is coming, humans will always like to see other humans perform, create. For example, if there's a symphony, no one will look if it's robots playing a symphony, but they will look if it's humans. So how do you feel about creation, even in the AI age?
Well, I think creation in the AI age, we will always need love. We will always need inspiration. We will always need compassion. Those are some of the things that computers just don't do. And I think when you experience art, when you experience dance, music, photography, any of the creative outlets, you feel love, you feel a person's experiences, you feel the compassion. But I do see that AI can be used for some great things. So if a human being is behind the direction of the AI and we combine what humanity is with these ideas, then it can come out as something beautiful and it can turn out to be something great. But we will always lead with the human being and humanity and connection.
If you have a thought, a wish for the internet for future years, the internet in the AI age, what would that wish be, really?
I would love for us to feel more like the things that we think of as human beings that matter to us, that we value, the way we want to be treated. I would love for us to express that on the internet. It's not always necessary to say something bad about something going on or to take somebody's likeness if you haven't had any consent from them or you haven't given them compensation, you haven't given them the credit, you haven't given them what they need, even checked in with them. So I would love to see more consideration and caring when it comes to the way we socialize on the internet, the way we communicate on the internet.
In terms of creation, just to wrap things up, in terms of creation, what still excites you the most, even using technology sometimes? In what way do you use technology to create sometimes, to make it easier for you?
Well, the thing that excites me first is to continue to grow as a person and as an artist, and to spread that art to humanity in the best ways possible. So what excites me about what technology can do is help me spread that message, help me spread that energy and that art that I love. And I've used it in ways where it's been an advantage for me to be able to do studio sessions with other producers in other cities at times when I need that. But I also value how important it is to be in the room with them and to start the projects off together and the connection we have. But to see, and I'm excited about us using those advancements in what technology in the ways that align with our integrity, align with our values, and can enhance our creativity. Building Cloudflare with Cloudflare. Okay. Yeah, building Cloudflare with Cloudflare.
That's it, yeah.
Okay. To everybody out there, we building Cloudflare with Cloudflare. This is how I style, yeah. Sometimes I used to have wild hair, but now it's bald. Yes, y'all. Common sense and automat, I still won't fall. I made the call and now I'm here. From the Cloudflare, now I appear. Yeah, peace out.
Yo, I came down to Cloudflare Connect.